Hello folks, welcome to my channel TechZone and DIYs. So today we are gonna do reloading, and for the reloading I mean use the used cases for the rifle bullets. So these are the rifle bullets 30-06. This is what I'm gonna use as a sample, but this can be applied to basically any rifle shell. So for that one I am gonna use Lee's hand loader, and these are different components for the hand loader. This is totally explained into the box. First thing you wanna use is this tool here. This is used to remove the primer and seat the bullets. So what you do, you put this in, and this is a pin to remove the primer, and put it in the center and basically tap it. Tap it lightly, not too hard. So you see the shell, the primer is out of shell, out of case, and you put this in here, and what you get from inside is the primer. When you are gonna reload, when you will do the next work, then you can basically you have to put in the brand new primers. And yes, you put it aside. So you take out this primer, and next thing you do is clean this jacket here, the primer jacket. So what you do, this is a cleaning tool. This comes into large and small, but we are gonna use large. So we are gonna just twist it like this. You see, this is pretty much clean here. The dust has come out of this one. So this is the step number 1 and 2. Step number 1 is to remove the primer from here. Step number 2 is to clean. And you go through the process for all the cases that you have. In here, take this out. Clean the primer jacket. Alright, so this is done. So the next step for these shells is to fix this mouth here, because this can get deformed either by storage or by firing or something like that. So what you have to do, this is the tool which fixes the mouth for this one. This is gonna form it nicely. So what you do, you tap it here nicely, and then take this pin and put it from the other side, okay, all the way in, and then tap it nicely here. Take it out. So this mouth is fixed. You do it for all the bullets one by one, but I'm just doing a couple of them for the demonstration purposes. So the mouth is totally round now. Okay, so this is the third step that you have to do. The fourth step is to fix the length of the case. There is a specification for this case length, and how do you do this? This is also from Lee's. So this is gonna deburr it. So what you do, there is a case holder. This comes, you can buy it separately, and then put this inside, tighten it here nicely, and then you put this in the center. This will go all the way in like this, and then basically you twist. And take it out. So you will see half of the shell is scratched by the tool. Just scratches the extra bass there. The next step is to deburr it from inside. This is to deburr inside. This is a tool to do that, and as well as from outside. So this goes like this. So now you see this is nice and clean from inside as well as outside. So once you seat the bullet inside, it's gonna touch anything, and when you fire it, there will not be any burr coming out of this piece to damage your basically together. So one by one do this. Side and outside, deburr it, fix the length and deburr it. So this is nice and clean. So this is the step that you have to take, and then basically keep them aside. So you do all of these bullets the same way. Next thing you have to do is basically to clean these bullets, and they are ready to be reloaded basically. So in this first part, what I have demonstrated to you guys is how to make these cases uniform and clean them and make sure there are no burrs, the length is perfect, and you take out the old primer and clean those jackets. How do you clean these cases? I will have a video next. You can look down, and then I will post a link to that. That will take care of the cleaning part. Okay. The last thing is that if you have a brand new case, you do not have to go to the step number 1 and 2, which is to remove the primer and clean the jacket. They will be already clean. But what you still have to do is fix the length with this tool and deburr it, because even the factory cases, they will not be at a uniform length. They might be little over. So you make sure that this does not go over, because that is bad. If it is a hint short, that is still okay, but it should not be longer than that. And that will be the final step for the brand new cases. There will not be any need for cleaning. They will be already clean, and then you can basically go and then reload them. Right, guys? So this is the part 1 that I have done in here for you. Just a final reminder for you guys that you have to use a soft point hammer, and if you do not have a rubber hammer at home, the normal hammer, what you have to do, you have to make something like this. Okay, so I will post a video down there how to prepare a hammer with a soft point. It's not difficult, it's very easy with a painter's tip. Alright guys, alright, see you then in next video. Take care, bye.